Was hoping I would not have to make a video like this for you, but I have promised to stay transparent. So here it is, my update number 3 or number 4, not entirely sure, of what I've done in the last week in my challenge, 100 videos in 100 days. Or so I hoped. So last week wasn't great. I uploaded, I think, only one video, and the one today. I fell off the wagon, not very good. I had some issues with my children, ER visits, ear infections, just loads of things that were out of my hands. And it got me thinking what I can do going forward, so when those things happen, that I can continue posting. I'm going to take you into my channel, into the stats, so you can have a look. I did have some views. I did have some followers, I think. So it wasn't all bad. However, I am very disappointed that I was not able to post every day, because I'd got into the flow of posting and I was rather proud of myself. So to be 100% fair, I am going to start from zero. So today I'm going to count this video as video number 1, not video number 14, because I think I should start from scratch, because I want to have a 100 video streak. And I don't want to be stopping and starting. I've done this before, and this time we are not going to do that. This time I must have 100 videos streak, or else, or I'm just not going to ever post them on YouTube ever again. So in the next 100 days, it is to be or not to be. Anyway, let me take you into my channel and show you the stats. Welcome to my channel. If you are not following me, please consider following me, and let's have a look. Let's go into my, where is it? YouTube Studio, and then content, so you can see that I am showing you everything in real time of what's happening. First of all, regarding the followers, I saw somewhere here that I have 335 followers. That means I have gained 1 new follower in the last 7 days. I'm grateful for that one person who has followed me. Hopefully another million of you follow this person, who obviously knows quality when they are met with quality. These are my old videos. Pay no attention to those unless you want to go and visit them and have a bit of a laugh, really, because those are from 6 years ago and they're not very good, but they're there. Some of these are on kind of private. Actually, let me share something with you. Some of these videos are from a program that scammed me of quite a bit of money. They were so persuasive. I thought they were amazing at the time, but I just started. I didn't know. Now I can see that something is a scam from like a million miles off. But then I just started online marketing and I was really, green. They scammed me of quite a bit of money, but I did make these videos kind of promoting them. I'm not proud of it, but still I removed the videos, but they're here just for me to remind myself of how much more careful we need to be when we start whatever it is that we are starting, and also just to remind myself that I can improve in my YouTube videos. Anyway, so here we go. The one that I posted on the January the 18th, that still has only 7 views. The next one has 13 views, then 3 views and 1 view. This one isn't popular. Price objection, 3 views. My first update, 30 views, and then 18 views, talking about how I'm starting again here on YouTube. Then free storytelling course. This is really good if you want to learn how to storytell. This is a good video. 15 views. Then I have one with 5 views. Then how to create your own course, 6 views. My third update or second update, I'm not entirely sure, 41 views. And then the last one, make money on my beginner's mistakes, not 4 views. So I'm still trying to find what are the best videos for me to create for growth, because that is the phase I'm in. But I obviously want to deliver as much value as possible for my audience here. I've got so much knowledge. I've invested thousands of dollars in my education here. So I want to share that. But it turns out that judging by these views, so my most viewed videos are 100 videos in 100 days updates, such as this one. So obviously people are interested in that. But what they are not doing is they're not following me from these videos, because I've only had one follower from these views, and that's no good. We want more followers. So again, consider following, consider subscribing. I've just been creating my Instagram content, so that's why I keep saying follower. We want subscribers here. So consider subscribing. So that's that. And now I'll be uploading more value with updates. I'm not very good at lifestyle content. However, I am very good at kind of speaking off the cuff. So I'm going to utilize that a lot going forward. So I might do 2 value, 1 date, so that's 3, and 2 just off the cuff, maybe mindset, how to succeed on YouTube, or obviously documenting my own journey. And then I have 2 more videos to think about what I'm going to post. When I spoke earlier about how I did not post for a whole week, almost a whole week, and I needed to find a way to have videos ready when life happens, when my son decides to do something with his neck, so we have to spend 6 hours in the hospital, the ER, waiting for his x-rays and etc., or when he decides to have an ear infection, or when my daughter decides to have another type of crisis, because there's always something going on with these kids. I need to have a system where I can sit down and record, post. So what I did do with this channel and with my videos, and what I like, is that I keep my video production, if we can call it that, very, very simple, which means that I only have like 1 or 2 takes. My editing is done on Tela. Very simple, very straightforward. I love this software, by the way. If you want to sign up and have a discount for 3 months and the trial period, use my affiliate link, which is in the description. I love this software. It is so easy. You just record and get on with it. I have bought a very expensive camera that I'm not using, because I bought it and then I just can't figure out all the settings and how to use it. And I don't know, everyone says it's the best camera ever. I can't figure it out, and it's making my head spin. And then I need to plug it in and then plug in another thing. And then I need to transfer it onto my computer and then take the SD card. And I'm sorry, I don't have the time for that. So I've simplified everything. I just record this on my MacBook. It stays here. I edit it in literally 15 minutes. Captions are added automatically. I upload it, get the description in. I could improve when I say I could improve them, that would suggest that I know what I need to do to improve them. I don't. So that's a bit of a problem. That's a bit of a stumbling block. So I'm going to still experiment, although I know I should have one style of YouTube thumbnail so that people can recognize, that's Lenga's video. But I don't know what my style is. I kind of like those kind of white and pink thumbnails, but those are not the ones that got me the most views. The ones that I just took the screenshot and literally wrote like 100 videos in 100 days, those worked the best. So I'd keep those. Not entirely sure. Anyway, I need to work that out. And this is what these 100 videos in 100 days are for. Obviously, I'm always hoping all of my videos are going to go viral, of course, and then I'm going to be monetized in, a couple of days. But I know that is not a realistic expectation. So these 100 videos are literally for me to improve my video skills, my speaking skills, my editing skills, to learn which YouTube thumbnails I need to use, and etc. So if you're thinking of going through this challenge, go for it. Maybe you should start with 7 days. Maybe you should start with 15 days. I'm a bit of a kind of extreme person in kind of, if I give myself these impossible goals, like 100 videos in 100 days, then I have some chance of actually doing it. If I give myself a goal of just 7 videos in 7 days, I'm like, I can do that. And then I don't do it. And then I don't do it. So I've got to like stretch myself really, like my mind going, oh my goodness, my head is going to explode. And then I go and do it. Hence the big goals. So that's kind of all I wanted to say about this. Thank you for being here, and see you in another video, see you in another update. And if you are going to do this challenge, say it in the comments, say challenge. I might have, in fact, I do have a great resource for you, and I'll just send it to you for free. Okay, have a great day. Bye.